Wednesday afternoon, so it must be time for the illiterate Greek. In Matthew 5, we see the Beatitudes, and they start out, "Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven." And it goes on to use that word, blessed, blessed, blessed. It's used over 100 times in the New Testament alone, so it must be a significant word. So what does it mean? Well, it's the Greek word makarios, which means blessed, happy, fortunate, or well off. The Amplified Bible says happy, to be envied, and spiritually prosperous, with life and joy and satisfaction in God's favor and salvation, regardless of our outward conditions. So it's a state of flourishing or being fully satisfied in receiving God's favor. And I was just reminded, in Galatians 5, we see the fruits of the Spirit, love, joy, peace, but the word patience, love, joy, peace, and patience, in the Amplified Bible, it says that patience, not the ability to wait, but how we act while waiting. If we are truly blessed and know that we're blessed, we'll be patient, we'll be kind, we'll wait patiently for whatever God's bringing, because His timing is not ours. And Paul understood that. In Philippians 4, we see, he says, "I know how to be abased and how to abound. I know how to have little and everything. In all things, I have learned to be full or to be hungry, both to abound and suffer need." 2 Corinthians 3 tells us, "Not that we are sufficient in ourselves to think of anything as being from ourselves, but our sufficiency is from God." Or as the Amplified says, "But our sufficiency and qualifications come from God." Remember, part of the definition of blessed is to understand the situation we're in and be satisfied there. So remember, in Matthew 5, blessed are the poor in spirit, happy, to be envied, and spiritually prosperous, regardless of their outward condition, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Therefore, be blessed.